your guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, we are going to cook Stir Fry Nai Pak. After the water is boiled, you put in the Shitake mushrooms as well as the Nai Pak. You don't have to worry about too much Nai Pak into your pan because eventually it will shrink when it's boiled. Once it's nicely cooked, just drain it, pour everything onto a serving plate. Chicken stock and the corn flour that I just mixed with water and stir it. Just drop it in. On a dry hot pan, just stir fry the ginger. Add in the cooking oil. Stir fry the garlic with the ginger. Stir in the corn flour mixture. Add in some water so that it's not too dry. When you see that the pan is bubbling on the sides and the sauce has thickened, that means it's ready. Pour the sauce onto the vegetable. The sauce is just corn flour and chicken stock, not even salt, not even soya. Okay, and this is the shiitake. I'll just fry this. You can taste the freshness of the vegetable, and you can taste the sauce all together. So it's very light, very tangy, very refreshing. And of course a little bit garlicky, but it's very nice. If you like what I've just shared, just give me a thumbs up and share my video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and do comment if you have something similar to this that you'd like to share with me. Thank you and see you soon.